Have you seen traders talking about pips and wondered what they mean? A pip is one of the most basic concepts in Forex, and understanding it is essential for beginners. In Forex, prices move in very small amounts. A pip is the standard unit to measure that movement. Most of the time, 1 pip equals 0.0001 of the currency price. For example, if the EU or USD moves from 1000 to 1001, it has moved 1 pip. It's a very small change, but when trading large amounts, even tiny movements can create profits or losses. Why does it matter? Traders use pips to measure how much the market moves and to calculate their gains or losses. Without understanding pips, it's hard to know how much you're actually making or risking. Here's a simple analogy. Imagine measuring water in teaspoons. 1 teaspoon is small, but if you pour many teaspoons, you get a full cup. A pip works the same way. Small units, but they add up when you trade. Some currencies are measured differently. For example, the Japanese yen pairs use 2 decimal places, so 1 pip is 0.01. Don't worry about memorizing everything now. Just know that pips show how much price moves. The takeaway for beginners is simple. A pip is the unit of movement in Forex. Understanding pips helps you track profits, losses, and market changes in a clear, measurable way. If you want to learn Forex step by step with short, easy lessons, subscribe to the channel. We'll explain every concept clearly. No hype, no confusion, just learning made simple.